Hi people, good morning. How are you today? I hope everybody's good, healthy and safe. And now today, I found something, very useful toy. Yes. And I wanna share with you. I'm talking about this. Voila. No, I'm not gonna talk about this. No, I'm gonna talk about this. This little tool. I found it in Amazon. Look, yeah. Now, first of all, when I order, sometimes they, show a picture and something nice, but when you got it in your hands, it's a piece of shit. Anyway, this one, no. I really love it. The material is, oh, it's so perfect. I love it. You can feel it in your hand. You can feel when something is good. Now, look this clam. Oh my God. I can even set my, look at this. It's huge. Yes. And it has a little, like, pads to grip. Yeah, I love it. I really love it. Now, what happened? I will show you, I will share some pictures and videos that what it.
Howdy, howdy, howdy. Literally, I'm sit down in the middle of the lake. Yes.
That's not a skippable.
And I'm waiting for a fish.
That
Yeah?
is a fake one.
But no fish so far. But just to stay here, just to relax, just to feel the water is so perfect. The sun, the sky. And how about the fish? A nice medium-sized bass. Yeah, I don't ask for too much to me. No. Only one. Yep.
You can, come on, papi, collaborate with Johnny. We are in the video. Okay, look at this. Literally all kind of position. All kind of position. And you can have fun with this, downhill, boom, boom, choo, bam, 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 and crash. But survive, yes. And then the material, I love it. I give this product, wow, like, I can say 5 stars. Yes, that's good. It's that cool, Okay, they are not paying me to say that. No, nobody pays me. I do this because I really love to share with you. When something is good, it's good, regardless. No, no, it won't work. No, no bueno.
Bless you.